What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Just want to do a quick demo of the truck. I know I haven't been posting lately on the channel. I've been trying to put up other videos. I did a video at nighttime, as promised. I did a video of the daytime demo. I just want to do another quick demo before I sell these subs, man. Y'all know me, man. I play around on the internet a lot. I do a lot of research, and I just happened to come across Resilient Sounds, and originally was planning on going with the Onyx 12s, and then of course obviously I got this truck, so I started to go with the Resilient Sounds Platinum 18. So these are some of the biggest subs I've ever had. They are rated at 2,000 watts RMS. I am running them on a Wolfram 7500 at 0.5. If y'all follow Wolfram, y'all know they just rebranded the subs, or rebranded their amplifier as a 9K Arctic Wolf, so it's white. It's real nice. So at 0.5, I usually float around 13.7 on my voltage. I'm pretty sure these subs are getting every bit of 8,000 watts, man. Rated at 2,000 watts RMS. But like I said, man, somebody decided to buy them. So if I hold on to this truck, I'll be going with the right now team 18s or 15s. Obviously that's subject to change. I'm sitting here saying that right now. It'll take me a minute to get them, but we'll y'all know me. Just stay tuned with the channel, man. I'll figure something out and we'll go from there, man. But just want to do like the last video. Got the voltage, well, not the voltage, got the volume set up on 27. I'm gonna hit this song, turn up my bass knob to about 9. I don't even go to 10, even though trust me, I got the DD1 plus. Everything's checked and tried and true or whatnot. And like I said in a previous video, unfortunately I did blow my 8-inch speakers. I sent 1,000 hertz tone through them, and I'll elaborate on that probably in a later video. I got some scars on the way, so we'll get them going so I can at least have some type of vocals. I do have some DS18 horns hooked up in here, so at least I know what point of the song I'm at, man. But just stay tuned. There'll be a lot more videos coming up as far as where I'm going to head with maybe even the vehicle. If I hold on to this truck, then things will change. I'll see, man. This bass is just tearing stuff apart, man. My light in the back is just broke, man. But let me get to this demo, and I'll go maybe at the end of the video talk about Steve Me's products and how janky they are and stuff like that, man. Just stay tuned. Let's get this demo going. Oh my God. I gotta get out of here. I can't take them horns, man. Should be in a decently secluded place, man. I think this is a bus yard. Of course, they're not in school right now, man, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully I can get this demo in. Woo! I have no idea what the next song should be. I guess Moneybag Yo here. She moving plenty of air, man. She definitely, man. I put in these decaf songs, this thing will make you want to throw up. I'm gonna do one more song and I'm gonna head out. Let's see what this Big Crit does, man. Y'all know I'm a crazy Big Crit fan, man. I ain't been listening to it a lot though. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna get the hell out of here because there is a business across the street. All right, so that is the system. Like I said, unfortunately, I just wasn't. If you knew me personally, if you met me at all around here in Omaha, I'll tell y'all like I told everybody else, man, I just haven't been motivated to do anything to this damn system due to the fact of coronavirus, man. So it's kind of been, we'll see what happens. We'll just play it by ear and stuff like that, man. Y'all know I got a ton of OFC wire, white and black. The wire that you've seen in there is from last year. Like literally. Matter of fact, I'll get it. I know I'll probably get my ass ripped for being on YouTube with this stuff, man. I don't even care. Somebody can see how rigged up I did it just to get going. Oh my God. Yeah, so that fell from in there. I just got these crescendo amps sitting around. This one runs the DS18 speakers. I put this one in on Sunday, just rigged it up. Obviously, you can tell I just rigged everything up back here just to get her going and playing. And once she started playing, I said, screw it, man, I'm out here. So, and then there are the little horns that I put in just to have some words. So, put big bass in your truck, you're gonna tear your truck up, man. So, like I said, probably shouldn't put that on YouTube. I don't care, man. It is what it is. If y'all been following me for a while, y'all know what I can do. So, if I get motivated, I'll go back in and rebuild. But right now, looks like the subs will be heading out the door, man. So, it's your boy Young Dub. Y'all enjoy this one. I'm out of here.